Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we grow older, we want haircuts that are easy to manage, comfortable and still look beautiful. Low maintenance haircuts save time and effort. They need less styling and less use of tools. These haircuts are perfect for daily life and busy routines. Let's look at some best low maintenance haircut ideas. First is the short bob haircut. A short bob is simple and stylish. It is easy to wash, dry and comb. This haircut looks good on most face shapes. Next is the layered short haircut. Layers give volume to the hair. This style is great for thin or fine hair. It makes hair look fuller and healthier. Another very easy to style is the pixie haircut. Pixie cuts are short and light. They need very little care. This haircut gives a fresh and confident look. Now let's talk about the shoulder length haircut. This style is perfect for women who do not want very short hair. It is easy to tie and easy to style. Shoulder length hair looks soft and elegant. The soft wave haircut is also a good low maintenance choice. Natural waves need less styling. This haircut looks relaxed and graceful. It is perfect for everyday wear. Next is the haircut side bangs. Side bangs frame the face nicely. They hide fine line and add style. Bangs are easy to manage and look modern. For women with grey hair, a short grey haircut is very easy to care for. It looks neat, clean and confident. Regular trimming keeps it looking fresh. When choosing a low maintenance haircut, think about your daily routine. Choose a style that feels comfortable. Confidence and comfort are more important than thread. Use good shampoo and conditioner for healthy hair. Regular trims keep the haircut in shape. Healthy hair always looks beautiful. Low maintenance haircuts are smart and stylish. They help you feel confident and happy every day. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas. You can enjoy my videos. Most beautiful and trendy, stylish, low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about women haircut ideas. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.